Hello and welcome everyone to Espuno Tech channel. So today we are going to see how you can thicken your voice. You can deepen your voice. We will be doing it in Audacity so that your voice sounds a bit grave and deep. So in order to do that, before that you must have Audacity in your system. In case you are not having it, you can download it very easily from audacityteam.org. It is available in all the three Windows, Mac and Linux. So according to your system, which is appropriate, you can go and easily download it. I am having it installed in my system, so I will go directly to the Audacity interface. Now you can import your voiceover from file and import, or you can record it here. So let's see, here I am going to record the sample. Just click mitigation of material affection doesn't wait for development of transcendental knowledge. Rather, knowledge is dependent on devotional service for the ultimate realization of the supreme truth. Stop. So this is our sample. Let's zoom it out. Now before proceeding further, we'll just remove the noise. Go to noise reduction, get noise profile, select the whole sample, go to noise reduction, OK. Now we have removed our noise. Now let's normalize it. Go to effect, normalize, OK. So this is our sample. So make a copy of it, Ctrl C, and we will be making 3 tracks here. Ctrl V. This is our second track. This is our third track, and we'll have one more track. So this is our fourth track. So now what we need to do, we'll go to our second track and make it to extreme left. Okay, and let's make it color code. We'll go to wave color, make it red color, and our third track we'll make it to green color, and we'll make it to extreme right, red. So this will already add a deep thickness to your voice. Let's hear it, all the 4 tracks together. Mitigation of material affection doesn't wait for development of transcendental knowledge. Rather, now you can see the voice is thick, but it's cracking out. So what we'll do, we'll reduce the volume of both the left and right track a bit. You can make it to -6, and we'll keep it to -6 dB. Now I will reduce both of these tracks. We don't need it any further, these 2 tracks. Now we'll go to a third track and we will select it. We have selected our third track. Let's go to effect, and you go to change pitch, and there what we need to do, as you know, the lower octaves in a harmonium, so we will put it to -12, OK, and press OK. Now let's hear how it sounds. We'll make it here solo and play.
Mitigation of material affection doesn't wait
Now let's hear all the four tracks together. Mitigation of material affection doesn't wait. So we need to reduce it to minus 20 so that it sounds, it will just add up to your lead track here. Now hear it. So it will just put an effect on your lead vocal. Keep it to this much volume. Now we'll go to our lead track. Unselect it. Now we'll select our lead track and let's hear it once, our lead track, how it sounds. Mitigation of material affection doesn't wait for development. So what we need to do with our lead track is, we'll select the lead track, go to effect, and we'll go to our filter curve. And as you can know that the bass to our voice is in this region, in the lower frequencies, below 200 Hz or so. So we will select in this range around 100 to 200 Hz and give a boost to our vocal frequencies. You can add up 4-5 decibels. Okay. You can check it, play preview. Mitigation of material affection doesn't. Okay, and for civilians, what we will do, we will cut off those frequencies which are above 2000, and also what we will do, those frequencies which are below 40 Hz, we will cut off those frequencies, because these frequencies makes your audio sound bit muddy. Okay, so this is it. Now let's make it okay. So after this, what we need to do, we will select all the 4 tracks and we will mix it into one single track, and I will show you how you can do it. You can go to track and then mix and render. Before that, I want to show you how the vocals are sounding now. I will play the lead vocals alone. Of material affection doesn't wait for development of the. Now hear all the 4 tracks together. Of material affection doesn't wait for development of transcendental knowledge. Rather, knowledge is dependent of material affection. You can see the difference. So after you have done this, we'll select all the tracks, go to tracks, mix and render. Now all the 4 tracks are merged up into one single track. Hear it once. Material affection doesn't. Now what we will do, we will use a DSR plugin here. We'll select it, go to effect and use your Spitfish plugin. This is a DSR plugin, so it will reduce any hissing sound in your vocal. This is an external plugin, you need to download it. So you can download it from this place, pluginsforfree.com and you can download it and install in your Audacity. I am already having it, so you can make the fine adjustment here after the hearing, and I will select it this much and apply. Now close it. Now you can add saturation into it. Let me play it. Mitigation of material affection doesn't wait for development of transcendental knowledge. Rather, knowledge is dependent on devotional service. This much sounds okay. Ultimate realization of the Supreme. You can see to the fine adjustment that is okay for you as per your taste. So I am putting it here and I will just make it apply and close. Let's now hear it once more. Material affection doesn't wait for development of transcendental knowledge. Rather, knowledge is dependent on. So you can see the difference. How it so I find it quite useful. It comes very much handy when you need to add some gravity into your voice. So if you found this lesson beneficial, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.